Them don't catch one 40-year-old man with human body part. This one happened for Osun State, Nigeria. Why we say every bad news they get this Nigeria inside. They talk say this man will carry this thing. He named na Kabiru Oyeduton, and they see this man for Akpomu. Say na Akpomu man, I be this person for Osun State. Now police talk say this whole thing happened around like 9 p.m. Now somebody called them, say, it be like, say, get some ritualists, say they don't go kill person, they don't go cut person head. Now there, then this police can't carry their cell phone as they hear this news. If not even, as they hear this news, because themselves they're surprised, say, this kind of thing, feel they happen inside their small town, this Akpomu town. Now there, they go boss these people, make now watch where they catch this animal in human skin, man, where they catch them with this kind of bad acts when they do.
Kí lorúkọ ẹ?
Abiru lorúkọ mi.
Ọmọ Lébo.
Ọmọ ilé ayé ọmọ ilé mọ nínú.
Ọ̀gá yẹn mi ráyè gbé. Ṣé ní kò yí àbápọ̀?
Àtàkùn.
Àwọn wo lẹjọ ṣiṣẹ́ tẹ́ ṣe yìí?
Àtàkùn.
Àwọn wo lẹjọ ṣiṣẹ́ tẹ́ ṣe yìí?
Akin náà pè orúkọ rẹ̀ Clancy, Akin Clancy náà pè orúkọ rẹ̀.
Ibo ìdédé bo lẹ pa sí?
Ó mọ̀ gbé wá sọ́dọ̀ mi mà ní o. Ìyàwó rẹ̀ mo pé mo rò kò fẹ́ wá bá sùn lásán lọ́dọ̀ mi ni o.
Nínú ilé ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ àbí?
Nínú ilé ọ̀dọ̀ mi.
Báwo wá lẹ ṣe pa?
Mo kò fẹ́ wá dò gan ni.
Báwo lẹ ṣe pa?
Òun náà ló pa nǹkan ẹ̀ fúnra rẹ̀.
Bọ́wọ́ ṣojú ẹ ibẹ̀ ló wà.
Nígbà tó dẹ̀ yá tí mo.
Torí pé o sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan nínú mọ́tò pé o gbé ojú ẹ̀. O gbé lọ́wọ́.
Mo fọ́ kan ojú rẹ̀ báyìí sókè mo ní ó dùn mí ni mo fi ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó dùn ẹ náà.
Ìkejì ibo ló wà báyìí?
Iko ilé ló wà, ó dẹ̀ ti ń pè mí látàárọ̀ tí wọ́n ti mú mi wọn ẹ̀dẹ̀jẹ̀ ká lọ bẹ̀.
Kí lorúkọ kejì ẹ? Kí lorúkọ kejì ẹ?
Akin Clancy ni wọ́n pe orúkọ rẹ̀.
Ọmọ bo ni?
Ọmọ Ìkòyí lòun náà.
Ibo ni ilé wọn láyé ní Ìkòyí?
Ilé wọn mi mọ̀ ní Ìkòyí bọ̀ tí ara ọmọ bàbá Tony Star ní Ìkòyí tí máa ń jẹ́. Bàbá tó lóògùn mo ti gbàgbé orúkọ bàbá yẹn.
Orúkọ bàbá ẹ̀. Àwọn nǹkan tó wà nínú báfù yẹn mú jáde lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan.
Dojú ẹ̀ délẹ̀ báyìí, dojú ẹ̀ ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀.
Ṣé torí ìgbà kámú ni o? Ìgbà kámú ni o? Ìgbà kámú ni o?
Ìgbélẹ̀ lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀.
Gbogbo tí mo ṣe kódà bó ṣe ń rí lára mi kò sẹ́ni tó lè mọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ó ti mú mi ná. Kò sí kí ni mo wá fẹ́ sí.
Àwọn wo ló wà nínú kéńbẹ̀ yìí? Inú kékeré yẹn ń kọ́.
When I don't see as this man just even they talk like say he no even get human feeling. And as this man they talk, what thing they try talk say, this girl where they kill. Say the girl and one boy now come in house, so this boy will be hacking. Say this hacking be a business partner, be a killer partner. I don't know so if them take partner in this business. Say as the girl come they come visit him they even feel say this girl na just normal girl, be a girlfriend. Say they just won't come knock inside in house. Say na the only thing where they won't come do. But later, as him go see, him come see the girl for grand. Say they don't kill this girl, they don't comot this girl body parts. Now what him talk, say him can't even carry the girl. Come say, he pity am. I can't dey surprise. You will be say you be killer. Now you can't talk say as you see the girl, you can't shock you say the person don't kill this girl. And as police they talk say this girl body parts no even dey complete. Oh, say some things don't miss like her eye no even dey there again. Her breast don't come out. Maybe her things self don't even miss. Say the only thing where they see for inside this box and plastic now her head, her wrist, and her feet and some other parts. Now, wow, people they very cruel. How person go kill him fellow human being and you know we even feel anything? See as this man they talk, you go know say, you know they even pity this person because they even talk say, as they don't catch him now, what he won't do? Here, what human being they talk. Person where kill this person, they carry him like chicken. Like saying a goat meat where you go buy for market. Now so this man just they bring out this thing. Now wow, and the man they talk say the time where police can't catch him, now in this hacking that's in partner, don't they call him? But police no come greet them. Make they go catch this hacking boy. Say this hacking na one kind big man pikin, and the papa get juju. So I come dey surprise. Why police no carry this what they even call am Kabiru? Go find this hacking, make they arrest am. As the matter be now, they talk say they don't carry this Mr. Kabiru go court, and then they wait. They still they find hacking. You see where Nigerian police they take mumu. The place where this boy dey for this place, where they call this man, because by that period, maybe he don't already carry this body pass, won't go sell. Now he make and they call this in partner. But police no think can like that, they still keep am saying that they interrogate am. Shebi again, I go move, go catch this other person, so that I go get concrete evidence. I can't leave that one. And I think say no, go don't hear this news. Run come out from that village. Now, well, people just the way people I don't even know as I want to talk this thing. The things where people they do. Human being, you know, go even pity and say, now flesh, now your flesh. This thing will not be turkey meat, oh, not be goat meat, human being meat. Now you cut like this. What thing you won't even use and do? See, I think they even carry this thing come out from inside the bath. You know they even fear, you know they even irritate them. If let's say they do this thing since. Because now police don't talk, say they go catch them, the remaining people. That means not be only these two people. The way we talk and be like say there's still plenty. There are many ways do this thing. And ladies, why you go they risk your life on top of say you just won't go knack? But because of say you won't go do this thing, come out. How much they will even pay you on top of this way? Say they don't go kill you. And police say this girl, maybe if they won't look her age, you go be like 20 years, I'll be 19 years. Small people will never even too grow. They just kill you, waste your life just like that for no reason. Nigeria people, are they fear now? Are they fear now? Where? Because the kind of things where human beings they do now, it don't they, when we say you be cliffordology, people now don't they chop human being. Even if they chop, not be only chop, they even sell them to people. Sell them, give people, pastors and big people, now then they even collect this thing. If they find this hacking go now, if you be say, now in papa will be this herbalist, now they use this, maybe hacking self don't they learn in papa trade, now you can go use this thing. As the matter be, I feel make this Nigerian police, this Osun State police, make now go find this hacking. Because this one now when I tell they carry this one go court. So now only now one can go collect punishment for something what another person do. Because in talking, no being kill this girl. That means now that other one kill him, come run, come out. Now wow, my people, now so I hear this matter, I want to make her bring her, make herself using her koro eyes, see what thing they happen for this our country. Anything where I feel, making her write down for the comment section. And making her not forget to like or share and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next video.